In this video, we're going to be calculating the mode of a bunch of numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says find the mode for the following set of numbers, and we have a bunch of numbers here. So the first thing to do is know that the mode is the number that appears most often. And then you would arrange the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, so that'll make it easier for you to see the numbers. So 30 appears once, we have 72 twice, we have 83 times here, and then we have 95, and they're in order from least to greatest. So like I said, 30 appears once, 72 appears twice, 80 appears 3 times, and 95 appears 1 time. And we know that the mode is the number that appears most often. Here, the number that appears most often is 80, so the mode is 80. And that's the basic way to understand and calculate the mode for a bunch of numbers. It's not very difficult. And in the description, I have links to other videos like this that you could try out or listen to. And in the ebook, I have this exact lesson in the ebook, so make sure to download the ebook so you can have that with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks.